Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am Abhisha over here, and today I'm gonna do a makeup look with a chit chat thing, because people used to say ki why you just like put songs in your video, just speak and like do a chit chat makeup look. So I love these videos actually. My favorite YouTuber is Malvika Setlani, who does these kind of videos like a lot. So I really like watching these kind of videos. So I was like, let's do this. I'm really excited for this, but I've not planned like what eye makeup I'm gonna do. So let's just search. Like the best place to search is Pinterest. Actually today is Friday and I'm done with my exams, like it ended today, and I was free, so I was like, let's do this. Like I have my tuition but I'm not gonna go. Oh my god. So sorry guys. So I have my tuition at 6, but I'm not feeling like going today because I'm really lazy. What's there? Okay, so I'm really lazy. So yeah, I think the intro is really long, so let's go to Pinterest right now and let's search for it. So guys, this is like my bare face, and we're gonna start it, but first I'm gonna do some skincare, and then we're gonna do the eye makeup, and then we're gonna do the base makeup. Oh my god. So at the same time I'm also shooting a reel. Like this is my first reel, you guys. I'm really excited. Like it's like a makeup one, so I was like, I planned what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do like orange over here and pink over here, like a mixture of two makeup looks. So I'm gonna do that. I'm really excited. So yeah guys, so first I'm gonna use like a gel moisturizer. This is from the brand, what's the brand? Oh, it's Patanjali. Yeah, it's like really nice. I don't use this a lot, but I really enjoy this, using these. I really enjoy this one, like using these days. But the only thing is that why it's green in color. I have seen aloe vera gel transparent, so yeah, colorless. So yeah, so like this is like a really nice one. And after a really long time I'm doing my makeup, like, so I'm really excited. Like not a lot, like it's been just like a month or two, and really soon my birthday is gonna come. It's gonna come on like, it's on 7th of October. So guys, it's editing time, और मुझे यही कहना था कि मेरा birthday is on 17th of October, not 7th of October. उस दिन मुझे wish मत करना. Bye guys.
Please you guys, just like please wish me on that day for make me feel really happy. So actually Saturday, so I have to post a video on that day. I'm not sure am I really gonna post something on that day or not. You know what guys, I'm really lazy, so you never know. So yeah, but please guys wish me, like, yeah, and do follow me on Instagram.
And I've also moisturized my lips, and I'm gonna keep my hairs open just to look a bit beautiful. Like yeah, I don't want to look ugly in my whole video and then like just be feel embarrassed, like what's that. So yeah guys, so अब हम थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करते हैं. I think, I don't know why, but I don't know what you like. If you like me speaking in English, thank you. And if you think I'm not a good English speaker, just go away. No one is interested in listening something that people like. If there's a hate, no one loves hate. That's why. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep this like that only for a few minutes. And talking about songs, I have a favorite song of mine. Like these days I'm just loving one song, and that's very nice. I just don't want to get copyrighted, but the song is damn heaven. The name is Put Your Records On. Oh my goodness, that's pretty good. Like just listen to it. I'm not gonna just like tell you what the song is because I'm gonna get copyrighted. So yeah. So guys, music is done, and now let's do the eye makeup. So these are two brushes. I'm gonna use this one for pink and this one for orange. Actually it's brown in color. Like I've not washed it. Like I'm really lazy and I've not done like any eye makeup look since a really long time. So yeah, so let's start with orange color. I'm not good at it, like literally, but still let's do this. Like where's my mirror? Like just okay, I got it. Yeah, so let's start. Like, so how you guys are, just tell me like in the comment section. I'm like fine these days, like, but I'm like really like lazy these days at the same time. But yeah, life is all good for me because I'm like just like doing nothing, and like the best mantra to follow is be just be yourself and like don't care about others. I know this is like a very kesa putawa line, like people, everyone says that, but now the thing that just changed my life these days, don't be judgmental and don't get jealous of people. Like don't be like, jealousy is natural, everyone gets jealous, but just everything should be in a limit. And if you would just do things in a limit, तुम्हारे सारे काम सही से हो जाएंगे. I would just say that. And enjoy your life. Best way to enjoy your life is to listen to music, like what you love, just do what you love. And I do love dancing, singing, every single thing, so I just do that and I'm like really happy. And like yeah, and then Zoom classes are like not good for me. I don't think I'm made for Zoom. Like no one is made for Zoom classes. सबको तो बाहर स्कूल में जाना है. And like हमारे स्कूल खुलने भी वाले हैं, but मतलब शायद I don't really know, like, but people are saying teachers are also not sure. So yeah. And guys, there's a reason why I'm making this video, is that I'm gonna make my vlogs on my second channel, that's Abhisha Vlogs. So I hope you guys would see that as well. Just go and subscribe, you guys. Just go and do that, because like that's like very important. So yeah, just go and subscribe. I hope you're gonna enjoy that first vlog. I'm gonna upload that vlog after this, I guess, but I'm gonna like link it in the description if I've made it or not. Like yeah, but please subscribe and like let's make it 1000 subscribers, because I'm already at 700 subscribers, and I think like we can do that. So yeah, this is how my eye looks like right now. Pretty good. I was saying कि I just got done with my exams, and that's why I'm like here. So that's known as work, you guys. Whenever you are free, you have to make videos, otherwise people are gonna say why you are not uploading, why are you not uploading. So guys, I'm back, I'm like alive, I'm not like that. So I'm gonna just put a bit of this concealer. It's like a very white concealer. I don't know why I got this shade. This is the shade, I don't really know the name, but like I don't know why I got this. Like this is such a light concealer. Like concealers are usually light, but this is way more lighter, guys. So I don't know why I did so. This is my first time I'm doing this. Like I use this concealer, but like first time, like just see guys, like I'm not even showing you what I'm doing, and I'm just like talking to myself.
That's self-love.
तो चलो दोस्तों, थोड़ी हिंदी में बातें करते हैं. हमारी हिंदी भाषा बुरी नहीं है. सो हाल चाल कैसी, आई डोंट नो, आई कांट स्पीक while doing my makeup. तो I don't know how should I blend this. I don't really know. I'm not planned.
Where's my brush? Yeah. I guess here. No, where's that? Oh, there's. Ouch. It's like a flat. Oh, oil. Where's this oil from? So this is like it. So this is the flat brush I'm gonna use to like blend this. I think I used a lot of concealer.
So I'm gonna do like last touch of this orange eyeshadow. Struggle is real, you guys. I'm not like a makeup guru, इसलिए मुझे कुछ आता जाता है नहीं. I'm just like doing it for fun, क्योंकि हम बहुत ज़्यादा फ्री थे, इसलिए हम. Why I'm saying हम, इस मैं, बकरी वाला मैं. So yeah, I'm gonna just give it like a nice coat, like yeah. So and this top is like, I just wanted to say, this top is from like मेरी नानी का घर. Like I went to Bihar last year, like in 2019, and I just did a bit of shopping a bit. Like I bought like I just went for an hour or two, and I just bought like 3-4 things, like 2-3 tops and a dress and two nail paints and a bag as well. I shop a lot. I need to stop. Yeah, but I never wore any of those. I mean, yeah. So it was like, why to waste it? Just wear it right now. I guess this brush is only fine for doing like this area where I have to do the pink one. So I'm gonna use this brush only. I'm gonna take the pink color from another eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this is such a nice pink color. This is like a blush. This pink color is for blush, but I use it for my eye makeup. Oh wow, this is so good. और बताओ यार दोस्तों क्या चल रहा है, मतलब यू आर माई ओनली फ्रेंड. नो, आई ऑल्सो हैव माई फ्रेंड्स, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आर रियली गुड. अच्छे दोस्त हैं, अगर देख रहे हैं तो देखते रहो मेरे वीडियो और तारीफ करते रहो. एंड यू गाइस, जब मैं बहुत बातें करती हूँ मैं रोने लग जाती हूँ. एंड माई आईज आर फिल्ड विद टीयर्स एंड लाइक आई एम गोना क्राई रियली सून. आई डोंट वांट दैट. सो let's talk about some social media, guys. So my favorite social media app is Instagram. I can be over there for 24/7. I do like very idiotic things over there. I don't post much. Like, you might feel like I'm not active, but I'm the most active over there. A lot of people also like just like comment or message me over there, Bisha. Hi, I'm your subscriber and something like that. So guys, I'm really very डरपोक सा बच्चा, and I can't like talk to any stranger like that. मैं तो किसी से बात ही नहीं करती तरह से गोल और a guy. Like, I'm like very shy and introvert kind of person. I'm like introvert person in front of only those people whom I don't really know. Who don't know me. Otherwise, if you're gonna ask my friend, they're gonna say ki it's totally opposite. I talk the most. Like, people surely know, like in my videos you can just see this. But my teachers, like my dance teachers, used to say कि इतना बोलते मुझे पता ही नहीं था. Now the pink is so much कि अभी orange नहीं दिख रहा, तो मुझे orange फिर से करना पड़ेगा. Struggle यार, इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. अब आई एम सेइंग सो मच स्ट्रगल. सो आई वाज सेइंग कि आई यूज इंस्टाग्राम अ लॉट गाइस. मतलब कोई रुकवाए तो फिर आई एम यूजिंग दिस कॉम्पैक्ट. सो आई हैव टू blend this. It's looking pretty. What? Oh, why I'm using compact? Use eyeshadow. Yeah, better. So now I'm gonna remove the extra thing and I'll catch you guys. So I'm up close a bit and I guess I did quite a great job. Like, it's my first time I did something like this, and like I think I did a really nice job. And now I'm gonna tie my hair because I don't wanna just like ruin my hair. So now I'm gonna do the foundation thing. I don't really use a lot of foundation, but I'm gonna use a bit of it. Like, where's my foundation? This is like the one that I use. The shade is not right, it's the wrong shade, but it's fine. Like, it's not even that. Like, where's my that? It's leaking. Oh my god. It's my shade only, I guess. I don't really know. I don't think it's my shade, but when I feel like, sometimes I feel like it's too light. Sometimes I feel like it's too dark. Because you know what, there's a variation in your shade, so it always like changes. So I'm just like कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, बताओ मेरे को कोई. Just like that. So I'm gonna blend now, like blend. It's nice, like the coverage is nice. And आज ये मेरे को shade fit हो रहा है. I mean, like, just tell me मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसा क्यों होता है. It's like कभी तो ये इतना लाइक फोरहेड में तो ये बहुत सफ़ेद लग रहा है क्योंकि माई फोरहेड इज़ लाइक डार्कर. सो आई गेस दैट्स व्हाई पीपल डोंट यूज फाउंडेशन ऑन देयर फोरहेड. लाइक या मैनी पीपल लाइक कुछ यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक मैनी पीपल यूज़ एंड मैनी पीपल डोंट. इट्स अप टू यू. एंड लाइक जस्ट लाइक अ मीडियम कवरेज फाउंडेशन. एंड आई लाइक यूजुअली डोंट यूज़ फाउंडेशन क्योंकि ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा आई डोंट लाइक इट. लाइक मेरे को यही है कि आई डोंट रियली लाइक इट. फोरहेड तो देखो बिल्कुल ही कितना गंदा लग रहा है. I'm gonna blend. So guys, this was my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this and hope I'm not looking like a clown. I guess I did a lot of blush, but it's fine. I'm looking very nice, pinky girl, and I think I'm liking it a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope I didn't wasted your time, and I hope this was relaxing and fun. And bye guys, see you in the next video. And would like, share and subscribe, and also follow my second channel, Abhisha Vlogs. Bye.